Welcome my dear 6th standard students. Today we start chapter number 4, Operations on Fractions. Let's recall. जरा आठवूया अपूर्णांकांवरील क्रियांचा भाग. Let's divide the apples equally between two children. म्हणजेच दिलेली सफरचंदे दोन मुलांमध्ये समान वाटायची आहेत. Apples and children. 6 apples and 2 children, 6 divided by 2 got 3 apples to per children. Next 4 apples and 2 children, 4 divided by 2 got 2 apples to per children. Next 1 apple, 1 divided by 2, 1 and half apple got each children. Next apples is 7. 7 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2, 3 and half apple got each children. In this way, divide the apple equally between two children. In this chart, when divide apples equally between two children, sometime got integer numbers and sometime got fractions numbers. Sometime 3 apples, sometime 2 apples, sometime 1 and half apple and sometime 3 and half apple. अशा प्रकारे पूर्णांक आणि अपूर्णांक या संख्यांची ओळख आपल्याला इथे झाली. लेट्स लर्न कन्वर्जन ऑफ अन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन्स इनटू अ मिक्स नंबर. म्हणजेच अंशाधिक अपूर्णांकाचे पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर कसे करतात ते आपण शिकूया. इथे भागाकाराची क्रिया फार महत्त्वाची आहे. आपल्याला भागाकार जमला पाहिजे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल 7/2. 7 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 1. 7/2 is equal to 3 and 1/2. 3 is integer and 1/2 is fraction. Second, 10/6. 10 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. Remaining 10 minus 6, 4. Write this fraction. 10/6 is 1 and 4/6. 3 and 1/2, 1 and 4/6. Third, 19/5. 19 divided by 5. In 5's table, less than 19 number is 15. So, 15 subtract from 19, remaining 4. 19/5. Write down in mixed number 3 and 4/5. Next, conversion of a mixed number into a improper fraction. म्हणजेच पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकाचे अंशाधिक अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर करूया. मागील उदाहरणांमध्ये अंशाधिक अपूर्णांकाचे पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर केले. फर्स्ट 3 and 2/5. 3 is integer. 3 multiply by 5 and add number 2 and write down denominator 5. 3 and 5 multiplying 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2, 17/5. In this way, we conversion of a mixed number into improper fraction. 3 and 2/5 is equal to 17/5. Next, 4 and 3/7. 4 multiply by 7 and add number 3. Then write down denominator 7. 4 7s are 28 plus 3/7. 28 plus 3, 31/7. In this way, we conversion mixed number into improper fraction. Next, practice set 9. Practice set 9. Question 1. Convert into improper fraction. म्हणजेच अंशाधिक अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर करा. First 7 and 2 upon 5. 7 5 is 35 plus 2 upon 5. 7 5 is 35 plus 2 37 upon 5. 5 into 6 plus 1 upon 6. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 31. 4 4 multiply plus 3 upon 4. 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 upon 4. Next 2 and 5 upon 9. 2 into 9 plus 5 upon 9. 9 2 is 18 plus 5 23 upon 9. 7 plus 5 upon 7. 7 1 is 7 plus 5 12 upon 7. 12 upon 7. Next question 2. Convert into mixed numbers. म्हणजेच पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर करा. पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर. First 30 upon 7. 30 divided by 7. Less than 30. Number is 28 in 7 table. 30 minus 28. 10 minus 8. 2. 1. 3 minus 3 0. 30 upon 7 is equal to 4 and 2 upon 7. Denominator 7. Next 7 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 3. 1 and 3 upon. Next 15 upon 12. 12 ones are 12. 5 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 0. 15 upon 12 is equal to 1 and 3 upon 12. Fourth number example 11 upon 8. In 8 table 8 ones are 8. Remaining 3. 1 and 3 upon 8. Next 5 number 20 upon 7. 7 2s are 14. 10 minus 4 6. 2 minus 2 0. 20 upon 7 is equal to 2 and 6 upon 7. 2 and 6 upon 7. Question number 3. Write the following examples using fractions. First, if 9 kilogram rice is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each person get? म्हणजेच 9 किलोग्रॅम तांदूळ 6 जणांना समान वाटले तर प्रत्येकाला किती ग्रॅम तांदूळ येईल? अपूर्णांकात या संख्यांचे रूपांतर करा. 9 kilogram rice 5 people. 9 kilogram rice and shared amongst 5 people. Each person get 5 upon 9 kg rice. Second, to make 5 shirts of same size, 11 meters of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? म्हणजे 5 सारखे शर्ट शिवण्यासाठी 11 मीटर कापड लागते. तर एका शर्टसाठी किती मीटर कापड लागेल? याचे उत्तर आपल्याला अपूर्णांकात लिहायचे आहे. पहा, टू मेक 5 shirts needed 11 meters of cloth. For 1 shirt needed cloth is 5 upon 11. Next, let's learn. चला जाणून घेऊया पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकांची बेरीज म्हणजेच ॲडिशन ऑफ मिक्स नंबर. ॲडिशन ऑफ मिक्स नंबर. First, 5 and 1 upon 2 plus 2 and 3 upon 4. Here convert into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. See here denominator is different, so convert into equal denominator. 4 is in the number of table, so first we divided by 11 upon 2. 11 2s are 22 upon 2 2s are 4. 11 upon 4. Here convert into same denominator. 33 upon 4. This number is improper fraction, so this convert into mixed number. 33 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Remaining 1. We write down mixed number. 8 is quotient and 1 remaining. 8 and 1 upon 4. Next, 3 and 2 upon 9 plus 7 and 1 upon 3. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29 upon 9. 22 upon 3. Here different denominator, so convert into equal denominator. Multiply by second fraction by 3. 22 upon 3 multiply by 3 because it's convert into same denominator. 23 into 3 66 upon 9. Here making same denominator, so addition numerators is 95 upon 9. This is improper fraction. This convert into mixed numbers. 95 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Remaining 0. 9 zeros are 0. Remaining 5. 10 and 5 upon 9. This is mixed number. Addition is 10 and 5 upon 9. Next, subtraction of mixed numbers म्हणजे पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकांची वजाबाकी. First, 3 and 2 upon 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 7. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17 upon 5. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. 5 and 7 is different denominator, so convert into mix same denominator. First fraction multiply by 7 and second fraction multiply by 5. Save 17 into 7. Answer is 119 upon 35. 75 upon 35. Here subtraction. 9 minus 5 4. 11 minus 7 4. 44 upon 35. This is improper fraction, so convert into mixed number. 35 ones are 35. Remaining 9. So return mixed number 1 and 9 upon 35. 1 and 9 upon 35. Next, 2 and 5 upon 9 minus 2 and 7 upon 9. 2 8s are 18 plus 5 23 upon 9 minus 8 plus 7 15 plus upon 4. Here different denominator. So first fraction multiply by 4 and second fraction multiply by 9. Multiplication is 92 upon 36. 15 nines are 135. 135 upon 9 fours are 36. Here subtraction numerators 92 minus 135. 135 is bigger number, so answer is bigger number sign minus sign. 35 minus 92, 5 minus 2 3, 13 minus 9 4. 43 upon 36. Here negative number, numerator is negative number, so it's convert into mixed number, so divided 36 to 43 minus 1 and 7 upon 36. Mixed number, this is mixed number subtraction. In this way we solve all addition and subtraction. Practice set 10. Question 1. Add. प्रश्न पहिला बेरीज करा. First 6 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 and 1 upon 3. 6 3s are 80 plus 1 19 upon 3. 7 upon 3. Here equal denominators, so addition of numerators 26 upon 3. This is improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. Here I divided 26 by 3. 3 sevens are 21, remaining 5. So 7 and 5 upon 3 is answer. Next, here I write down 3 examples of addition. Solve these 3 examples and write down mixed number fraction. Question number 2. Question number 2. Subtract. Here mixed numbers, subtraction. Here I give 4 examples. It's convert into improper fraction and then subtract. When answer is improper fraction, they convert into mixed numbers. First, second, third and fourth. Subtract these fractions. Question number 3. Solve following examples. First example is Suyash bought 2 and 1 upon 2 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3 and 1 upon 2 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost 32 rupees per kilo, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? म्हणजे सुयश आणि आशिष यांनी साखर खरेदी केली. साखरेची किंमत 32 रुपये आहे, तर त्यांनी किती रुपये खर्च केले? So next solve this example. Let us find Suyash and Ashish bought sugar altogether. म्हणजे आपण शोधूया की सुरेशने आणि आशिषने किती साखर खरेदी केली. त्यासाठी आपण ॲडिशन करूया. 5 upon 2 plus 7 upon 2. 5 and 7, 12 upon 2. 12 divided by 2. Answer is 6. Suyash and Ashish bought 6 kg sugar altogether. म्हणजे दोघांनी मिळून 6 किलो साखर खरेदी केली. आता साखरेची किंमत काढूया आपण. साखरेची किंमत किती असेल? फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ शुगर. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ शुगर. 6 kg plus 32 rupees. 6 kg into 32 rupees per kg. So 6 into 32. These two numbers is multiplication. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 192 rupees. Second, Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 parts of her garden in 1/3 part and brinjal in the remaining part. On how much per plot did she plot brinjals? म्हणजे किती भागात तिने वांगी लावलेली आहेत. Let us find plot of Aradhana plant brinjals. Plot is equal to potatoes plus greens plus brinjals. 1 and 2/5 plus 1/3 plus x. We did not know brinjal's area. 1 is equal to, here different denominators, this convert into same denominators, so multiply by 3 first, multiply by 3 first fraction, multiply by 5 second fraction, and multiply by 15 third fraction. This is cross multiplication for equal denominator, making equal denominator 6/15 plus 5/15 plus 15x/15. Here making same denominator. So first is equal to 6 plus 5 11 plus 15x, denominator is 15. So 15 taken as left side as multiplication form. 1 into 15 is equal to 11 plus 15x. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. 11 plus 15x. 11 taken as left side, minus sign. 15 minus 11 4 is equal to 15x, and 15 taken as left side, division form. 4/15 is equal to x. So brinjals plot planted 4/15 part. म्हणजेच 4/15 या भागातच वांग्यांची लागवड केली. बटाटे, पालेभाज्या आणि वांगी. नेक्स्ट थर्ड एक्झाम्पल इज संदीप filled water in 4/7 of an empty tank. म्हणजे संदीपने 4/7 भाग पाणी भरले रिकाम्या टाकीत. आफ्टर दॅट Ramakant filled 1/4 part more of the same tank. म्हणजे त्याच टाकीत रमाकांतने 1/4 भाग पाणी भरले. Then Umesh used 3/14 part of the tank to water the garden. Total capacity of tank 560 liter. Sandeep and Umesh filled water 4/7 plus 1/4. Then Umesh used water for 3/14. This is minus water, so find water will be left. म्हणजे पाणी किती शिल्लक आहे ते काढायचे आहे. Let's find how many water will be left in the tank. म्हणजे टाकीत किती पाणी शिल्लक आहे Remaining water is equal to 4 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4 minus 3 upon 14. Here multiply by 4 and multiply by 7 to convert mixed equal denominator. 4 2 za 4 4 za 16 plus 7 upon 28 minus 3 upon 14. 16 plus 7 23 upon 28 3 upon 14. Here different denominator, so we convert into same denominator and next subtraction form. Next subtract these numbers. 23 upon 28, 6 upon 28. 23 minus 6 upon 28, 17 upon 28. Remaining part of water 17 upon 28. This water is 560 remaining. Total capacity 560 liters, so remaining water is 560 of 17 upon 28. 28 1s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 28 0 0. 20 into 70. 340 liters per water is remaining. 340 liters water remaining. Children, in today's part we have studied the operations on fractions. म्हणजे आपण अपूर्णांकांवरील क्रियांचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. Conversion of improper fraction into mixed number and conversion of mixed numbers into improper fraction and addition of fraction of mixed numbers. म्हणजे आपण बेरीज आणि वजाबाकी अंशाधिक अपूर्णांक आणि पूर्णांकयुक्त अपूर्णांकांची शिकलेलो आहोत. And practice set 9 and practice set 10. I hope you understand this part very well. Very well. खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे समजला असणार आहे. Practice all the examples over and over again. म्हणजे या उदाहरणांचा पुन्हा 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 सराव करा. Thanks my all students. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.